Set up your BT Home Hub 4 and 5. Today, we're setting up the BT Home Hub 4. Let's get started. First, unbox your Home Hub 4 and place it in a central location for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Next, connect the microfilter to your phone socket. Then, plug one end of the broadband cable into the microfilter and the other end into the DSL port on the hub. Now, plug the power adapter into the Home Hub and then into an electrical outlet. Wait for the power light to turn green. Once the hub is powered up, connect your computer or device. For Wi-Fi, select the network name, SSID, on your device and enter the password found on the hub's label. Alternatively, connect via Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and go to http://192.168.1.254 to access the Hub Manager. Log in using the default credentials, typically admin, for both the username and password. Follow the setup wizard to configure your hub. Check for any available firmware updates and test your internet connection by browsing the web.